take up 22 CR 508. This is my case, Mr. Walker. You failed to appear in front of me on July 17th for your preliminary hearing control docket. Where were you that day?
It's safe for sure, sir.
Okay, well, I issued a bench warrant bond forfeiture and set a new bond in the amount of $10,000 cash or surety. Are you still representing yourself?
Yes, sir.
You want to continue representing yourself?
Look at me. I'm not looking at you. I'm looking at the paper. Yes, sir. Don't have any money to.
Pardon?
Yes, I guess I'll represent myself.
Okay. You understand that if you can't afford to hire an attorney, one would be appointed for you.
I don't know what he would do for me.
Okay. Well, he could provide you legal advice and perhaps advance any defenses you may have had. But if you want to represent yourself, you have that right. I just want to make sure you understand that if you can't afford an attorney and would like to have one represented you, I would appoint one for you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you wish to continue representing yourself?
Yes, sir.
The docket notes don't reflect if a waiver of counsel was ever signed. Do you have any notes that would reflect that he's waived counsel on the record or otherwise, Ms. Norris?
Your Honor, I just note that on December 30th of 2022, defendant stated that he would hire his own counsel, and then he had a failure to appear, and on May 5th, we did not appoint any counsel. I don't show an actual waiver, and the notes don't reflect that he did a waiver on the record. It just says that he would hire his own attorney.
Okay. Well, Mr. Walker, you've indicated here on the record that you wish to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself. So I'm going to have you, if the jail has one, sign a waiver of counsel. Do you have a form?
I believe so.
All right. Can you read through that? Make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me.
There is no defendant in the. I'm the defendant in the case. Am I the defendant in the case? There's no victim. There's no victim to my crime, correct? The crime that I'm accused of, there is no victim in the crime.
The state of Kansas, you have drug charges: possession of methamphetamine, possession of paraphernalia, and driving while suspended are your 3 charges.
I still don't know what this guy's deal is, but if he truly couldn't understand anything, he would have taken the free lawyer. Instead, he's trying to handle the case by himself while talking nonsense. He even asked the judge if the judge was the defendant. Like, seriously, what? He keeps saying ridiculous things, but he still signs the paper saying he understands the risks of representing himself. That means he knows at least the basics of what's happening. Feels like he's pretending to be confused so he doesn't get in trouble, while still trying to stay in control. What do you think? Lost or just playing games? Let's continue.
No victim in the crime. No victim.
I'm not sure I understand your question and what that has to do with your waiver of counsel.
Well, I'm the defendant. There must be someone making a claim that
The state of Kansas is making the charges against you, Mr. Walker.
The state of Kansas is the victim.
The state of Kansas charged you with these crimes. Do you wish to represent yourself or do you wish to have an attorney representing you?
I will represent myself.
And you've got a waiver of counsel in front of you, correct?
Yes, I suppose so. Why why do I need to sign it? Why do I need to sign it? Why do I need to sign this?
Because I like to have it documented in the file that you understand that you have a right to have an attorney representing you, and that if you can't afford to hire one, one would be appointed for you. And you understand that, and knowing those rights, you wish to represent yourself. That just documents that for the court file.
What I don't understand is why there is charges against me when there is no victim.
All right, Mr. Walker, I'm not going to play this game this afternoon. I'm going to set this case
Why are we playing a game?
in front of me on
I'm asking questions. I'm really asking questions.
October.
Trying to understand.
Mr. Walker, your case is being set on October 10th at 2:30 in front of myself, and that will be done by Zoom. That's the felony preliminary hearing control document.
This act dumb strategy is failing completely. He's not fooling anyone, he's just driving the judge crazy. There's no way he can win like this. It's like showing up to a fight with a straw. I almost feel bad, but then I remember, sovereign citizens choose to act like the law doesn't apply to them. He's already wearing a jail jumpsuit, so pretending to be mentally off might be the only move he thinks he has. But instead of helping himself, he's making everything worse and embarrassing everyone.
I was wondering if I would be able to have access to certain legal things to be able to put my case up.
I believe they've got a law library there at the jail. I'm not sure what kind of access they provide to you, but you can consult with somebody there at the jail.
Okay.
All right, I'm now going to take up 22 CR 398. This is Judge Webster's case. Looks like you failed to appear in front of her on July 31st. She set a new bond for $6,000 cash or surety. You've already had a first appearance, so I'm going to set this in front of Judge Webster on October 30th at 9 o'clock in the morning. That will be by Zoom, October 30th at 9 o'clock in the morning. So again, your bond is $6,000 cash or surety. Anything else on this case, Ms. Norris?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Your Honor, was the time for court on October 10th for 22 CR 508, was that 2:30?
That's correct.
Just clarifying. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we'll be in recess. Mr. Walker, you are.
This guy is headed straight back to jail. The free lawyer could have actually helped him, but he refused because listening to a real lawyer doesn't fit the sovereign citizen mindset. These people think that saying, "I don't accept the court's authority," is some kind of trick that makes charges disappear. It's not. It's just a fast way to lose your case. Courts don't follow rules from random Facebook groups. If you're in court, real laws apply, no matter what you claim to be. And the funny part? This tactic never works. Ever. Anyway, that's it. Tell me in the comments, was he actually confused or just trying to scam the court? If you enjoy watching chaos like this, hit like and subscribe. I post every day. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.